The environment at Caterpillar is fast-paced, it's innovative. You're definitely on the cutting edge of what we're doing here.
I chose Caterpillar because right off the bat they made me feel valuable, and I was looking for a global company that had lots of developmental opportunities.
I don't feel like I'm just an intern. My boss never hesitates to give me a task. Here's something you can do. You can start building your experiences right away.
Coming in, I just thought it was just like these large machines, but there's actually so many new things that Caterpillar is doing, like 3D printing, all this type of stuff that I wouldn't expect otherwise.
I found this is like a wonderful opportunity. So I'm originally from India and I saw CAT in India, and that was really fascinating. So I wanted to be a part of the global company.
I think the most surprising part of my internship has been working with people all over the world. I knew it was a global company, but I never really gave it a thought. There's people on my team in like Singapore and Europe, so it's just interesting to work with different time zones and different mindsets.
I chose Caterpillar because they have a great culture. I felt like I could experience so many different parts of the business. It's about more than the machine.